everybody, this is Dipti Harshadvartak and welcome to my baking channel. Today I am going to show you how to color your buttercream and how to make such beautiful decorations on your cake. Okay, so we are going to learn all these types of decoration, how to do a piping border around your cake, how to make small flowers, how to make basket weave design, how to make leaves, how to use Russian nozzles. So all these types of decorations we are going to learn today in this tutorial. Okay, this looks absolutely amazing. So whenever you do this on your cake actually looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so for this what we are going to need is, of course we are going to need a cake, right? But just for the tutorial I am going to do this on an acrylic sheet. So this is what I am using over here. You will be needing the turntable so that when you are doing the piping you can actually turn it the way you want and you can make beautiful decorations out of it. We will be using nozzles, so we will be using Russian nozzle, any kind of Russian nozzle that is available in your house, or if you want to buy, I have given you the link of all these products in the description box. Okay, so do check out the nozzle links as well. Apart from that, I'll be using star nozzle, 1M nozzle, so you get small 1M nozzle as well. I'm going to use that. So the number written on it is FDB13, that is the nozzle number. This is nozzle number 32 that I'll be using. Russian nozzle, there are 6-7 types available, you can buy whichever you want. A leaf nozzle, and for basket weave you get a special nozzle like that. Okay, so this is the basket weave nozzle that we will be using for making this stunning decoration. We will be using flower nail as well. I'll tell you how to use this flower nail, how you have to rotate it, how you have to stick a parchment paper or butter paper on this, and how you can make decorations. Simple flower decorations using our buttercream is what we are going to learn in this. Piping bags, you can take disposable piping bags, you can use a cloth piping bag, whichever you want, you can definitely use that. Please use parchment paper or butter paper for some of these decorations. So when I actually show you these decorations, you will come to know how you have to use it. The decorations, the flowers which you make on the parchment paper, you are supposed to use this kind of spatula to just pick it up. Once the flowers are dried, you can pick it up and then slowly place it on your top of the cake. Okay, and you can slowly place it on the cake wherever you want to put it. Right? Of course, we will be needing some gel colors. Gel colors, they give beautiful colors to your buttercream, so please buy either gel colors or powder colors, but gel colors, they give out that beautiful color in my buttercream. If you want to know the recipe of buttercream, again that is given in the description box below. Do check out that video. It is a very simple recipe, easy recipe that gets done in no time, so do try that as well. So that's it, let's get started with the decorations. So after refrigeration, this is how the buttercream looks. Okay, now I want to color it and I want to use it for making my flowers. So, and the fragrance of this vanilla buttercream is also amazing. This will go really well with your cakes and cupcakes as well. Can you see the consistency? It is so good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it into 2-3 portions and I'm going to color that. Okay, so for coloring I'm going to use gel colors in this. So this is yellow color that goes in. Pink color. Color, and then I'm going to mix it. Add only few drops, and then if you find that it is not the color is not bright, then you can go ahead and add more color. Similarly, mix the other two as well. Now for making drop flowers, I am going to use this 2D nozzle. Okay, just have a good look at this. This is a 2D nozzle that I'm going to use, and for that I'm going to use blue buttercream. For making Russian flour, I'm going to use Russian nozzle. Okay, so here you can make two varieties of flour as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take little bit of yellow buttercream, and I'm going to just put it on the one side of the bag. That's it. Okay, just one side of the piping bag is covered with yellow buttercream. Then I'm going to take this one, the pink one, and I'm just going to slide it inside. Okay. Can you see these two colors? This is how our flour is going to look. And another one, this petal nozzle. For that I'm going to use yellow buttercream, but before that what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some gel color, okay, and I'm just going to put a drop on the side. Using a toothpick I'm just going to slide it inside. And then put this buttercream inside. Okay, it will start naturally coloring your cream. Now for making buttercream flours, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this acetate sheet. So again you get this transparent acetate sheets as well. You get these easily available in the stationery shops. Okay, so let us start by making drop flours first. What I'm doing over here is that I'm just pressing it and I'm turning my hand. Let's do this. So these have not come out proper, but look at these ones. I will also show you how to use a flour nail. Okay. So for this, apply a generous amount of cream, and then you can take such parchment papers. Okay, you can place them on top of these and hold your bag at 45 degrees and start making petals. Okay, you don't have to turn your hand, you just have to turn this flour nail. So after this is done, you can remove it and you can put it on this particular sheet. Okay. So let me do one more. Now there is enough cream, so I'm just going to place the paper on top. So what we are going to do next is we are going to put these flours in the refrigerator. We will let them sit for quite some time so that the flours become very stiff, and then I can easily remove them using this palette knife. Okay, so let me refrigerate and show you how the texture comes out after refrigeration. So here I am taking this open star nozzle, okay, and I am just going to show you how to make different types of piping decorations using this colored buttercream, okay. See how beautiful this looks, right? Now I have taken this small 1mm nozzle, okay, and I am just going to make beautiful flowers on this. Now let me show you how to do basket weave on this. So hold the bag at 45 degrees, and in between the circle only I am going to show you how to do it, okay. So can you see how beautiful this looks? Just few zigzag patterns here and there. So guys, that is basket weave for you. Few rosettes and a star border, which you can easily do with the buttercream that we have learned. We have tried to color it, and this is what it is. After refrigeration, can you see how the flowers are looking? Okay, they can be easily removed from this paper, okay, and that's how you can place it on your cupcakes or on your cakes as well, okay. You can even take it in your hands and nothing will touch to your hands, okay. See how beautiful they look. So how comfortable you are with this kind of nozzles, you will be able to make such flowers, okay. Or even for that matter, just have a look at this, or this one. You can easily peel them off. You can take it in your hand and you can place it on your cupcakes, okay. I'm just trying to arrange them on the buttercream that we have done, buttercream decoration that we have done. Just try to take them off and put them wherever you want, okay. So if it is a cupcake, it will sit nicely on that, or these ones as well. I'll do some leaves. So that's how beautiful flowers you can make out of this buttercream frosting. So we have done basket weave, we have tried petal nozzle using flower nail, we have also tried some Russian nozzle, okay. We have tried some leaf nozzle, 2D nozzle, and we have tried this star nozzle and also small 1mm nozzle, okay. So like that you can cover the entire cake or even the sides of your cake. Basket weave also you can cover this entire area and make it look more and more beautiful. And let's cover remaining area by making these orange color stars, simple stars. So do try these on your cakes and cupcakes and send your pictures in the comment box. I would love to see them. So I hope you have loved this particular technique, how to color your buttercreams, how to use your piping bags, how to use your nozzles, how to use a flower nail and make this beautiful decoration on your cakes. So do give it a try guys, and if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever a new video comes in, you get notified about it. Thank you so much.